Welcome back, guys. It's your girl Jess. JessWanderlust. That should be a thing. JessWanderlust. Okay. Today is just August. Yes, I say a lot of things that has just associated to it because just go with everything. Almost. Time out. I celebrate my whole month. Not only just one day, the whole August belonged to me. I share with other people, you know, I'm not stingy, but I come first. So we call this is just August. So for my first celebration, my first birthday kickoff celebration, first birthday travel vacation, I would like to go back to nature. So I booked the Treehouse. Treehouse is located in sunny Florida, in St. Cloud, Florida. I will be dropping down the Airbnb details below. It is a beautiful treehouse. I like weird stuff, so let's check it out. It's not much to this video because I just wanted to start off this month relaxing because I worked like a lot of hours last July that just passed. So I wanted to kick off this celebration month with just relaxing and hearing the sound of nature. But let's get into it. Let me stop talking. Let's get into it. Welcome to the Treehouse in the Clouds. When I saw this listing on Airbnb, I was so excited to book it. It brought back memories of my childhood, and as soon as I opened that Airbnb door, it did not fail me with the smell. The wood smell and the smell of nature. Now, this Airbnb comes with a full functioning bathroom. And just like the hotels, they have towels, they have the little soaps and shampoo, and they do have 2 shower heads if you want to take a romantic shower. It comes with a queen size bed, a little sitting area so that you can have breakfast or coffee and tea. And then they also have the TV. Right underneath the TV is your closet, right there. In the kitchenette, they have almost everything that you will need. They have a fridge, which has carrots for the horses. And they also have microwave, toaster oven, skillet, coffee maker, cups, spoons, plates, you name it, they have it. I know you're thinking you're in the middle of nowhere, you want to close all the curtains. Here's my suggestion. I suggest that you leave these curtains open because you get to see the sunrise every morning, which is very beautiful. And if it rains at night, you get to see all the little frogs jumping on the window. This is a view of it at night. So, you know, Florida gets super hot. So they included an AC unit and a fan, and you can adjust the temperature of the treehouse to your liking. They really thought through when putting this treehouse together. It's like everything comes adjustable and you get to do it however you want to do it, whatever the guests want to do. So the lights are adjustable as well, so you can turn them off on the inside and leave them on the outside, dim them on the outside. Whatever you want, you can do. If you look down to your right, you see the path that leads to the treehouse. The treehouse is located directly behind Rick and Karen's house. However, there is quite a bit of distance between the house, so don't worry about privacy or anything like that. At nighttime, it gets extremely dark from where you park to the treehouse. So my tip to you is turn the flash on your phone. Keep walking until you see the light from the treehouse. I know you saw that little ladder there. It leads you downstairs if you want to be a little adventurous and try it out, but be careful. Downstairs, they have a swing, a sitting area. You can barbecue, drink, relax, and this is the full view of the treehouse. The host of this Airbnb is Rick and Karen. We got a chance to meet Rick, and he was very sweet and personable. He even gave me flowers because it was my birthday. Thank you, Rick. He gave us a few information about the treehouse and the tree that it is surrounding. This is an oak tree and it's over 300 years old. And they did not touch the tree itself, they just built around it. Don't forget to feed them with some treats. There's some carrots in the fridge for you to do so. As promised, we went to Crabbybills, which is like 15-20 minutes away from the treehouse. We had some drinks and some food. It was a delicious spot. We went there twice, I believe. I had the boom boom shrimp, I think it's called, and some street corn. So if you're there, check it out. If you decide to sit outside like us, you have a view of the ocean and the marina. Now before you get in your car, you go, there is a path right behind the restaurants where you could take, and you see this large body of water. I'm not sure if it's an ocean or a lake, but it has gators. Look at me giving you a bonus restaurant. Now we made our way to Orlando, which was about an hour away from the treehouse. And while in Orlando, we stopped in Apopka. Our plans had changed, so we just decided to go and wing it and go to a restaurant. This restaurant is called Garibaldi. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, so just Google it and you'll see what I'm talking about. The ambiance is beautiful, the atmosphere is nice. It is a Mexican bar and restaurant. I do have a thing for bathrooms. I feel like if the bathroom is clean, that means my food is gonna be perfect, which it was at this location. I had tacos, it was Taco Tuesday, and the hospitality here was just perfect. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, comment down below if you have ever been to any of these restaurants or location. Follow me on Twitter and TikTok. No, TikTok and Instagram. Enjoy, thank you.